Welcome to Logic's Hub. If you are genius, then solve these questions just in 30 seconds. But if you are a student and do not know about this type of question, then in this video I can solve these questions step by step. So guide me and don't skip this video because it is very important for you. So mostly people can write this question very simple method. So in this video I can solve these questions step by step and in easy method. So firstly we can write it as parentheses minus 5 plus 5 times 5 divided by 5. Okay guys, now from here parentheses have higher priority than division. So in parentheses include multiplication, addition and subtraction. So multiplication have higher priority than addition and subtraction. So minus 5 plus 5 times 5 equal to 25 divided by 5. Now from here minus 5 plus 25 equal to 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5 guys equal to 4. This is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe to my channel for more math challenges.